Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we're going to be doing some decorating. I'll be deep cleaning some areas in my kitchen, and of course I'll share a quick recipe with you all. So if you are interested, please keep watching.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
Okay, the first thing we're going to start with is this cabinet that we have in our kitchen. This is where we keep our trash. When we first installed this, I was so excited about it because I really wanted the trash can to be hidden, but I was not prepared for the constant wear and tear that this was going to put on this cabinet, and it really caught a major beat down. As you can see, I just had my husband to remove it, and we will put the shelf back in that he had to take out when we first installed this. I tried to clean it up as much as I could. I'll be contacting the contractors who worked on our house, and they did leave some numbers for the people that installed the cabinet, so I'll see what they can do as far as replacing the door and if there's any repairs they can do to the other parts. So I purchased this trash can from Walmart. I wanted to make sure I got one that had the sensor and it wasn't going to slam into the back of this cabinet, and then we'll be dealing with some more damage. Okay, on to the dining room. As you can see, I finally found that round mirror that I was looking for the longest. I did go to the At Home store. That was kind of my last resort. I checked Home Goods and other stores. At Home is very expensive. If you've never been in there before, they are also... It's a pretty large store, and it can be very overwhelming to shop in there. But this mirror was well worth the price. It is very heavy, and the quality is great. So I'm happy with the purchase that I made. So I'm just going to use some double-sided tape to tape these poster boards to the back of this cabinet. I didn't want to do anything permanent, but one of you guys actually suggested that I do this so the trim wouldn't show, and I really like the way that this turned out. I think it does make a big difference. So shout out to you. I can't remember your name, but thank you for the suggestion. All right, another thing I wanted to point out were these wine racks that I purchased from Target's Dollar Spot. It's actually two, and I went ahead and glued these together. When I purchased them, I was not thinking that I should have just picked up four so I can put one in the other spot on the sideboard, but I did go back to Target and I ended up finding another set. You guys won't see me put that up in this video, but I did recently go back to Target and I found two more in the dollar spot, so I will be adding those, and maybe I'll put the plant somewhere else. I do get a ton of questions about the wine holder, and I mentioned that I purchased that from someone off of Poshmark. I have not been able to find a link for that. I will keep looking, but for all of you guys asking, yes, I purchased it from someone off of Poshmark. I try to make sure I always respond to the comments if anyone asks any questions, and I also try to provide you guys with links. As far as the dining room, I will be decorating this for fall, so that video will be coming next month. I'll be decorating and doing a tablescape in here. So for now, I'm going to leave the table blank. I also get a ton of questions about where my dining room table is from. I will link that below as well. So I hope you guys like the way that this turned out. Now to deep clean my kitchen. Every couple of months, I like to make sure I pull out my fridge and my stove to sweep behind and mop behind here because, dust gets behind there, trash. I did finally go ahead and purchase another mop. I do have the spin mop, which I use every once in a while. I had the Bona mop, but the spray nozzle stopped working, so I just went ahead and purchased this one that everyone have been raving about, and I actually like it. No complaints so far.
Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be I ain't got the time. Yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know.
So I decided to make this recipe at the last minute. I didn't have all of the ingredients, so I just used what I had, but I will link the recipe down below. I found this on Instagram and it turned out pretty good. I just hate that I overcooked my salmon a little bit because I put it in the oven, and I'm so bad when it comes to putting things in the oven. I'm now used to the air fryer and the timer goes off, which I know I can set a timer on the oven, but I went upstairs and that was a big mistake, but it still turned out really good. My family loved it.
How to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh, baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah.
All right, friends, that's going to be it for today's video. I really appreciate you all watching. And I also want to give a huge shout out to all of my new subscribers. I have recently hit well over 12,000 subscribers. So I really appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate all of the love and the comments that you constantly show on my videos. Thank you so much. It does not go unnoticed. So as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah.